Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out an EBL battery charger. This is a kit. It comes with a charger and 8 AA batteries. And we're going to be giving this a review, something that I need. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this. Here are the 8 batteries, and they are, how big are they? They're 2300 milliamps a piece, okay? And I actually bought it for my son. He plays Xbox One like all the time. So he's constantly asking for me for new rechargeable batteries over and over again. So I said, you know what? My batteries are for something else. So here we go. This is the battery charger itself. It's very straightforward. It charges in pairs. So once the pair of batteries are fully charged, the light will turn green. I guess red means they're charging. I haven't plugged it in, so I have no idea. I'm taking a guess.
So very interesting. The colors are different shades as they charge. So these batteries are fully charged. This is still kind of sort of red, yellow, orange, green. So we started this at 11:30 in the morning, and it's now just about 3:40 in the afternoon. So we're working on, it's 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3. So 5 hours. About 5 hours, and we're not quite fully charged yet except for these batteries. Yeah, these are fully charged. So interesting though how there's different colors. You can't really see it in daylight. You have to really look at it like this with all the lights off, and then you can clearly tell how it works.
So it took just about 6 hours to fully charge 8 2300 milliamp batteries. So green is, so it's red, orange, yellow, green. So those are the shades of colors based on the shade. Tells you how far along the charge is. It's an extremely no frills product, but works. So I'm giving it a 4-star rating. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And as always, please hit the bell to get notified of future videos along the way. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
Oh!